What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Well, it is Pepe season, aka meme season. So we're back with another video on Pepe. Did you get that YouTube algorithm? That being said, myself and Justin are here to discuss with you guys some of the exchanges that have recently listed Pepe and where you can buy this token, because I feel like that's a lot of information that all of the newbies into crypto that are coming in for the first time that definitely need to know. So, Justin, let us know.
All right. So Pepe has been listed on a ton of different exchanges, but the ones that you can find them on are, well, the most prominent ones are going to be Crypto.com, Binance, KuCoin, BitMEX, Bybit, OKX, Mexi, LBank, Uniswap, Huobi, and Gate.io. But there's 30 other exchanges that you can go to, but those are the most well-known ones. And man, there's some heavy hitters up there. You got the top Binance, Crypto.com, and KuCoin. That's like your big three right there. And yeah, I mean, overall, this token is just flown. I didn't see this one coming. Pepe the Frog, it's a new thing. Hobbs, what do you think first off about all the exchanges? Because if you guys don't know, this token was listed on like 5 exchanges at launch, and there was like pretty big exchanges for a token that's just launched, and then to now where they're getting the attention of the biggest spaces in crypto.
Yeah, absolutely. I think exchanges need one thing, especially after going through a mild crypto winter. Some would say mild. It depends on how you look at it, right? After going through such a horrible crypto winter, if you look at the earnings of the only crypto exchange that's listed on NASDAQ, right? Or, whatever section of the stock market is listed on, they've had some of their worst earnings during crypto winter, because the one thing that they've been missing is volume. These exchanges are listing Pepe because it has reached 2.3 billion in volume in 20 days. That's insane. They want a piece of that. That being said, the most previous exchange that had their earnings yesterday or today, they actually made a turn to profit, which was Coinbase. The one that you don't see on that list is Coinbase just yet, but I think they're coming, because once listed on Coinbase, it is the most popular. Now, Binance has the most volume, right? And probably is the world's largest. But Coinbase is the most popular among American users or anybody because it's so simple. Then I'm hearing that potentially Robinhood might be added to this list, because at the end of the day, these exchanges are here to make money. The way you make money in crypto is you need trading volume. The reason why this is very important for you newbies out there is because you want to get in before these listings happen. If you look at this list, they had a huge day. Crypto.com, Binance, KuCoin, all in one day listed Pepe. So what's left, right? Coinbase and Robinhood. If you can get in before those two happen, right? Today, off of those three, we ran up almost 800 million in market cap, right? We were roughly at a $2.3 billion market cap for a ways there. We've since then cooled off to about 1.34 billion, somewhere around there. But that next wave that comes is going to be the wave that pushes us in the 6, 7, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 billion. And that constant volume is just going to get stronger and stronger. When it hits the mainstream media, it's going to get even stronger. So you want to be in, and if you don't want to pay those gas fees, these are the exchanges you want to go to. So, but that being said, you guys let us know what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come on back over to the ClearCryptos education channel, where we talk about everything, especially the things that are hot in the crypto market. That being said, that guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T Hobbs, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.